The world is neither flat nor orthogonal, but for a long time design tools have quantized object placement onto a rectangular grid, not to mention only having component and primitive grids. The new Custom Grids feature makes it possible to have an arbitrary number of predefined grids with specific extents and origins, allowing them to be defined in different regions of the board. Not to mention these grids can be rectangular or polar, making it far easier to place and route objects in circular arrays and at different angles. In the new Grid Manager, you can define a custom polar grid by clicking here, then set up the grid extents, spacing, and angles here, and click here to specify a center point. Now, when placing objects on this grid, you can see them snap to the grid vertices. Once I've placed those angular arrayed objects onto the polar grid, I can overlay a new rectangular grid for placing or routing the rest of the design. You can also change the priority order of these custom grids so you don't have to remove any of them. Just in case you need to use one of them again later, just bring it back up in the priority list. The implications of custom grids are actually endless. Needless to say, object placement and creation of meaningful silk screens will never be the same again.